how to add an announcement bar in Squarespace. So here I have just clicked on website from the Squarespace dashboard, and it has taken me to this page. Now from the left hand side, we want to click on website and then go to the bottom where it says website tools and just choose website tools. Now right here for messaging, you will see announcement bar, and we're just going to select this option, and it is automatically going to be disabled. However, we are going to press on disabled here, and we're going to click on enable announcement bar. Now we can set the text right here. So for example, buy this now with an exclamation mark, and we can also add a link right here. So if we have done this, then we will have successfully added an announcement bar to our Squarespace website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.